Hi, here, that's the passenger ticket and the baggage check. Who wins?
Very good morning. Today I have two tasks. One, going to car free day, and number two, going to Bharat Mela. Sometimes waking up early is a bit hard, but still you need to do, even though it is Sunday, right? Because only Sunday you will have car free day. That's why you need to wake up early. Of course, it will be there till 10, 11 o'clock, but still, okay. Let's go. Nowadays, I just stopped jogging because I have some ligament problem in the knee. So I just don't want to take risk. I need to undergo surgery in the next month. Nowadays, Jakarta has become too hot. Cool down, Jakarta, cool down. So from there, that whole arterial is going to be car free day. Look at the dogs, man. Car free day is really crazy, man. Seriously. See, look at those people. Look at those people. Oh my god. Everyone is taking group selfies, that selfies, this selfies, and all. People are laying on the roads. People are going there, here, everywhere. Actually, it is too sunny outside, but because of this building, we are saved. This autofocus, if I wear these shades, the autofocus is out of focus, and if I don't wear this, the autofocus is on. Perfect. Previously, there is a roof for this footover bridge. I think they have demolished. It's good though. So I think that's it for this car free day. I'm heading towards the room, take a shower, and then go to Bharat Mela. Woo! That was a fresh shower and I feel like a new man after that shower. So I'm ready. It just took 15 to 30 minutes to get shower and then get ready. So now I'm going directly to the JNICC. This is what the center name is in Jakarta. There the Bharat Mela is happening there. I'm going directly to the venue and my friends will join there. Whew. We are going to have some Indian food in Jakarta. I am booking the Grab bike, one of the best transportation in Jakarta. The Grab and Gojek. Oh, see, that's awesome. We got the driver instantly. So I'm ready. Yeah.
Indonesia.
Berapa sir? Satu.
From Chennai, so Chennai gets the
Gratis
first.
Indian tea ya.
Can we have our consular officer, Baba Murli Raja, sir?
Got the ticket.
Datang, get yourself henna decorated.
That's my name.
Get
ಏನಮ್ಮ
ಏನು ಲೇಟ್ ಏನಂತಂದೆ ಐವಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ in this video.
Sorry?
Don't cut me.
Oh, sure, man. Why I will cut? You will be there in the vlog. Don't worry. Where is the other guy? Hey, lover boy, come.
Join.
Hyderabadi biryani. Hyderabadi guys eating Hyderabadi biryani. The taste is really good, man. Seriously. I like it.
Yes.
So you guys are here today.
Yeah?
You guys are here today.
Yes. Start from yesterday.
Oh yeah, from yesterday.
Sai తీసుకుంటావా సాయి తీసుకుంటావా ఎక్కడో చూసినట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది.
Do you like Indian food? You like Indian food? Bagus. Oh, good. Sorry? Delicious. Wow.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Have a photo, Lucky.
Bappa, please give this. That is. Oh, here we have Akshay Kumar. What's your name?
Abhinav.
Abhinav Gupta. The great Abhinav. Hi, welcome. A round of applause for the winner. This side, face the audience. Get yourself quick. What's your name, dear? Anukriti and Abhinav. Put your hands together for Altaf and Sanjana. Aka, Shahrukh and Kajol. And now, can we have around 1400 plus chits with name and contact details in the last 2 days? Just show it to the audience. And they are all there. Who's going to India? Can we have the symbolic ticket of the Thai Air? That's the passenger ticket and the baggage check. Who wins? The name reads as AAS. That's a all capital AAS, and there's a contact number, last 4 digits 2795. So let us have a huge round of applause for Mr. AA or Miss AAS. We shall be inviting him or her to take this bumper draw prize. One more, sir, for as an alternate. And that is Mr. Rahul Singh. Mr. Rahul Sinha. Mr. Rahul Sinha. And his contact number is also here, last 4 digits 0130. And he is the standby. Thank you so much, Excellency. Thank you so much. Dhanyavad, Shubhratri, Abhar.
Which media you are?
No, I have YouTube channel.
So I give you my number. Can you send the YouTube for my embassy uploading?
Sure. I'll send
Okay, come. I'll give you the number.
Yeah.
Come.
No, and what if she never gives the like?
Good. We can contact you in the future also.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, madam. See you.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
And we should meet. Okay?
Sure. Thanks, ma'am.
Monday.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah,
Seriously.
likewise.
Yeah. The way you are hosting is very good, sir. Seriously. Keep it up. Okay, Nanda.
Right.
We had a great talk.
Bye.
See you. Bye. Okay, can you hold this once? Thank you. Now heading towards home. Okay, kasi Sunday, bagus. Yay! Amazing boys out there. It's awesome. This is a fantastic day, guys. Seriously, amazing day. So after many days, I met all Indian people, and some people, Indonesian people, are dancing for Indian songs. That's seriously very good. Oh, thank you for all the people who organized this event. That was wonderful, and looking for more events like this. Thank you. Ooh. It's time for editing the video. Okay guys, see you, bye bye, and see you in the next one. Woo.